LibreChat is an open-source AI communications platform that augments the capabilities of ChatGPT with features and enhancements not found on any of the currently available chatbot applications, including the official interface provided by OpenAI. This includes the ability to choose between several different large language models. When you select OpenAI from the Endpoints menu, you can choose between any of the models that are available from the OpenAI API. Selecting PaLM 2 from the Endpoints menu gives you the option to choose between Chat Bison, Text Bison, and Code Chat Bison. With Bing, you can use BingAI or Sydney, as well as the Claude model from Anthropic. LibreChat also has support for Azure OpenAI. Whenever a major LLM gets released, it is typically added or updated in LibreChat that same week. Another thing that distinguishes LibreChat from other chatbot apps is that it gives you the ability to edit the internal settings of the model to achieve a specific result. For example, by adjusting the temperature and tone, you can force the model to be more creative or deterministic with its response. You can also set prompt prefixes to prime the model for acting in a certain capacity. You can then save, recall, import, and export these settings as custom presets. Once you've accumulated a considerable amount of AI conversations, you can use the built-in search and filter functionality to reference previous interactions rather than waste time navigating through long conversation histories. This is also a unique capability of LibreChat. One of the more exciting features is the LibreChat Plugin system, which is built on top of LangChain. The biggest limitation of large language models is that they lack the ability to interact with their environment or access external data sources. This is solved through the use of plugins, which provide the model with tools that it can use when it deems necessary to successfully complete a given task. By using LangChain as the underlying agentic framework, we are able to provide some enhanced capabilities. For example, you can add and remove plugins mid-conversation, as seen in this video demonstration, where we use the browser plugin to find 5 sources of information about cats in the wild. Then we enable the Google plugin to summarize the content from the National Geographic source and provide 5 important facts about cats in the wild. Finally, we generate an image to supplement this information by enabling the Dolly plugin. Although the number of plugins available right now is nowhere near that of ChatGPT+, support for OpenAI plugins is coming soon, at which point we'll be able to include all of the plugins available to ChatGPT+ subscribers. Extensive documentation is also provided for the purpose of facilitating community plugin contributions. Some other notable features include the ability to edit and resubmit messages with conversation branching and function agents, which allow you to pass a set of functions to the model, which it can then use as tools to complete a specific task when it deems appropriate. The built-in identity server provides login and registration with JWT authentication, as well as OAuth 2 support for logging in with Google and OpenID authentication for Microsoft accounts. We are also currently working on some really cool new features for LibreChat, so this is unquestionably a project to keep an eye on for those that are interested in artificial intelligence and machine learning. As LibreChat continues to evolve, we seek to constantly push the boundaries of what is possible with AI.